Best bites forever.
What's up everyone, I'm Chef Alicia and today I'm making this Asian coleslaw with Napa cabbage. I'm starting with 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise and mixing in 1 tablespoon of sugar along with 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, like 3 to 4 green onions chopped up, and then a teaspoon of lime juice from a fresh lime preferably, along with 1 teaspoon of teriyaki, which is available at pretty much any Asian market. It's toasted sesame seeds with salt in it. And I will give a complete list of ingredients at the end of this. Stir that up and set it over to the side. Meanwhile, I have cut up 6 cups of Napa cabbage along with 3 carrots. I actually did these in my food processor, but you can do them on a box grater or chop them by hand if you would prefer. Mix in that beautiful sauce that we made at the beginning and just stir it around until it is really well combined. And you're going to have this beautiful Asian coleslaw. It is really great on ahi tuna or chicken teriyaki, so give it a try with one of those.